Let's talk about how you can make $600 a day. I'm Sean Dunks, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 step-by-step legit ways that you can make up to $600 per day. First one is to start offering freelance home services. You can literally make good money doing handyman work or home services such as cleaning services, TV mounting, wall painting, etc. And you can easily pick up these jobs on apps like Thumbtack. A wealthy man once told me, best way to make money fast doing odd jobs. These are the jobs that needs to be done, but no one wants to do it. Think about it. If you choose to do these jobs, you don't have to have any special skills that you can't search on YouTube and learn to do by watching a few videos. But if you already have a skill, or you are a handyman or woman, this would be perfect for you. Look, in order to start picking up these freelance work, all you have to do is download the Thumbtack app for free, create an account, and you can see all the jobs that you can pick up in your area. So as you can see, you can pick up house cleaning gigs. If you have a pressure washer, you can pick up gigs doing that as well. Shoot, you can even help people to move. There are things as simple as installing a ceiling fan, mounting a TV, or mowing a lawn. Look, some of these don't require any skills or expensive tool, and people will pay you to do these jobs for them because they either are too busy to do it themselves or they just don't know how to. Let's check out house cleaning, for example. People out in this area are charging over $200 to do a standard clean on a typical 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And as you can see, the average cost in this area to do that size house is $240. Think about it. If you were to sign up and get a gig to do a standard clean on a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, it would only take you about, let's say, 2 to 3 hours. And if you're just doing 2 houses per day, then you're looking to make about $500 working 4 to 6 hours per day. Pretty cool, right? Now, here's the thing. If you feel like you don't know how to clean a house, you can find tons of videos on YouTube showing you exactly how to do so. And the best part is, you just need simple cleaning items that you already have in your own home. I'm talking about stuff like a broom, a map, washcloths, or rag, bleach, or some kind of all-purpose cleaner. If you don't already have these items inside your own home, you can get these for the low at the dollar store near you. But it doesn't have to be cleaning if you're not into that. There are tons of gigs that you can pick up in your area using Thumbtack. I would actually rate this hustle a 7 out of 10, but it gets better. If you're finding any value in this video so far, please take a quick second, smash that like button right here, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like these. It would help me out a lot. The next freelance gig or side hustle you can do is real estate photography. This is something that I have done myself, and I know it works. If you're already a photographer or you just have a decent camera, you should most certainly consider doing this. And if you're not already in photography, then I'd suggest getting a good camera and a wide angle lens for those in-house room-by-room shots. I like this camera that I'm using here, and it can definitely get the job done. I'll put a link in the description below to this specific camera. But if you don't have the money to go buy some new camera right now, you should definitely start with your cell phone. The cameras on the smartphones that you're using to watch this video right now give similar quality photos and videos to a professional camera these days. So, not having a camera should not be an excuse, especially if this is something that you actually would like to do. Now, if you have absolutely zero knowledge on how to take real estate photos, here we go again. Back to that YouTube University. You can literally search on YouTube how to take professional real estate photos, and you'll find endless amount of videos teaching you all you need to know on taking real estate photos. But here's the thing. I don't want you to get caught up in analysis paralysis, watching all the videos and never getting started. Just watch a few videos, learn the basics, and then you can try what you've learned in your own house or maybe your friends or family's houses. And here's a plus of doing this. You can use these photos as reference when a potential client wants to see your work or your portfolio. This is free game right here, so if you hadn't already liked this video, what you waiting on? Help me out because I'm here to help you out. We're gonna be making this money all 2023. Let's go. All right now, so you have your camera or your smartphone, you've learned on YouTube how to take these shots, and you're ready to go, but you don't have a client as yet, right? Well, here's the first thing you want to do in order to get your first client. You want to reach out to every realtor that you know, whether friend or family, and just ask them, hey, do you need any help with getting professional real estate photos taken? Chances are some of your friends or families may be taking their photos themselves and could really use your help. And to grow your business, you could also cold call, email market, or DM realtors asking if they need help with getting professional real estate photos taken. You can charge anywhere from $150 to $300 per hour for professional real estate photos. And 1 hour is typically good for one shoot, the better you get at it. But if you're doing 3 houses per day, then you'd be making upward of $900 each day, depending on what you're charging. And if you partner with a good realtor, they'll most likely have a lot of listings, so the potential is endless. If you'd like me to do an in-depth video showing step-by-step how to have a successful real estate photography business, comment real estate photography below. Having done this hustle myself, I'd give this one an 8.5 out of 10. But look, this one takes hustling and really putting in the work. So if you're looking for something more lazy, you want to do hustle number 3. Are you ever just scrolling on Amazon and you come across an item like this one that has videos below of people showing you how to use the product? If not, then this is what I'm talking about. The creator for this video will get paid a commission just because I clicked on their video and I ordered the item. I know how simple that sounds, but that is as simple as it is. And you can do it too with absolutely $0 upfront costs. I personally have never tried this side hustle, but I've known about it for a while. And it's one that I think I'll be trying myself, and I'll let you know how it turns out. But to get started, all you have to do is search the Amazon Influencer Program on Google, and I'll have the link in the description below. Click sign up, and then you'll have the option to link an existing Amazon account or create a new one. Next, you'll have to link one of your social media accounts, like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube.
Listen, you don't even have to have a large following on social media in order to do this, since you won't be using your following. Instead,
you'll be using the traffic from the largest online retail platform in the world. And the best part about this hustle, you can start with what is already in your house. I'm sure that if I look around, I can find over 50 items in my house that I either bought from Amazon or I can find on Amazon. And I'm sure you can find these items in your house also. So just start looking around your house for items that you can start doing reviews for. And once you find these items on Amazon, check the description box to see if it gives you a full understanding of the item. Because if it doesn't, others looking for this item may be struggling to make the purchase just because the product description isn't doing the item any justice. So this is where you come in. Shoot a 1 to 3 minute video review showing how the item works, what you like or don't like about it. You can if you want to, but you're not even required to show your face for these videos. Once you've made your video, you want to upload it to Amazon and wait for customers to watch your video and make a purchase. Each time someone watches your video and purchase the item, you'll be making passive income since you've only had to make and upload the video once. Obviously, the more videos you have, the more money you'll make. So go on, look around, go find a bunch of items and start making video reviews right now. Here's a side hustle that not many people are talking about, and you can make up to $10,000 a month making deliveries for different courier services. With this side hustle, you'll be using your own car, and you don't need any special skills or a college degree in order to do this. There are tons of websites and apps that you can use to pick up delivery gigs, and I will tell you about a few of the more popular ones. Bear in mind that each one has different requirements for qualifications, but they all are pretty similar. First company on the list that you could do deliveries for is CB Driver. And if you want to check this out, I'll have the link in the description below. And they're currently offering a $200 sign-on bonus for new drivers. With the CB Driver, you are 1099, so you're working for yourself, being your own boss. You decide on when you want to clock in, when you want to go to work. It's all up to you. But obviously, the more you work, the more money you make. When you go on CB Driver's website, hit join for free in the top right-hand corner, enter your information like your name, phone number, address, and create your account. With CB Driver, you're required to have a driver's license and you can't have a car that's older than 2006. In signing up, you'll have to answer questions like whether or not you've had any moving violations, accidents, or charged with a felony or DUI within a certain time frame, usually within 2 years. Once you're on the CB Driver's website, you can see what kind of jobs are available in your zip code and what type of car is needed for the job. So if you have a sedan or a pickup truck, you can search for driver contracts that fit your vehicle and start driving today. Another popular courier service that you can drive for is called drop-off. Indeed reported that you can expect to make over $28 per hour being a drop-off courier driver. Once you go to drop-off's website and hit sign up, you'll be able to see what jobs are available and the location.
With drop-off, you can do deliveries in the industrial, medical, or retail industries. Of course, if you're going to be delivering for the medical industry, you may have to get HIPAA certified since you'll be handling patients'
private health information. You may also have to get a certification for bloodborne pathogens since you'll also be picking up specimens. But the great thing is, a lot of these companies cover the certification for you, and if you have to, it's not very expensive to become certified. Once you sign up to become a driver, you'll see all that's required of you for you to drive for drop-off. And the last courier service that I'm going to share with you is Bungie. Bungie seems to pay out a bit more than the first two that I mentioned. According to Bungie's website, you can make over $45 per hour being a Bungie driver. On its website, and again, link below in the description box, Bungie refers to its company as the ultimate side hustle. Once you're on Bungie's website, you want to sign up by clicking apply now or drive for us. With Bungie, you have to be at least 21 years old and be able to lift over 125 pounds. However, out of the 3 courier services that I mentioned, Bungie allows you to have the oldest cars. Your car can be no older than 25 years old, and they don't have options for sedans. So you will have to have any of these: a pickup truck, a cargo or sprinter van, or a SUV with a trailer. And with Bungie, you'll be delivering larger items or items of large quantities. So if you have any of these vehicles, this one is for you. Once you've checked all the requirements, you enter your information and then you're ready to drive. And if you don't have the vehicle requirements for Bungie, there are tons of courier services out there that you can drive for. Just search courier driver jobs on Google, go through each, and see if you qualify to drive for them. I'll also give this one a 7.5 out of 10 because while you're getting paid well on an hourly basis, you still have to factor in expenses like gas to drive, a dolly to easily transport packages, bungee cords, etc. But despite all that, this is a very simple way to make some extra cash. Listen, I believe in you, and I believe that you have what it takes to change your life. By applying the knowledge that I give on this channel and just grinding it out for a while, you will get there. Whether the goal is some extra cash or financial freedom, it will require some work on your end
in order to get there.
And if you're like me, who's always looking for ways to expand your income, you'll be willing to do what it takes. I'm here for you. If you have any questions about any of these, leave it in the comment section. I try to read all the comments and help where I can. Like this video, and remember to subscribe and turn on the bell notification here so that you never miss when I drop a new video. Until then, good luck. Let's get it.